Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flower pots that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Decopots 3-pack Self-Watering Planter Modern Flower Pot. Available in a multitude of colors, Decopots is one of the best flower pots, offering a simple, elegant set of 3 plastic pots. This one is perfect for flowers, herbs, and any other type of plant. With a height of 8.3 inches and a diameter of 10.6 inches, these are great for both indoors and out. Decopots are self-watering and have a convenient drain spout on the bottom edge, so your plants won't get waterlogged. They include a smaller inner pot for your soil and plants, plus a larger outer pot for housing excess water, which allows for extended self-watering. The self-watering feature is a blessing for forgetful plant owners like me. The built-in water reservoir at the bottom ensures that my plants get the hydration they need, even if I occasionally miss a watering session. The water level indicator is a thoughtful touch, taking the guesswork out of when to refill. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Yingerwan set of 3 ceramic flower pots. These beautiful twist design pots offer an elegant solution for folks who need different sized pots. The set includes a large, medium, and small pot, along with a helpful overflow plate for each of them. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use alike, these gorgeous and modern ceramic planters work great on a tabletop or the floor. Each one includes a single drainage hole at the bottom, and the overflow plate is attached, so it won't get lost. The glossy ceramic finish is the icing on the cake to these stylish pots. I like the quality of these pots, and they are exactly what I needed for the plants I have, and they're really very nice looking. You could almost put them anywhere. At number 3, we have the classic Home and Garden Vogue Premier Planter. The Vogue 8-inch planter comes in a beautiful speckled indigo finish and is one of the best flower pots you can buy. This ceramic pot is weather resistant and has a strong UV coating, so it should be safe from the elements even when left outside for extended periods. It makes a great outdoor flower pot. While no drainage holes are included with the pot, it's easy to drill one yourself wherever's most convenient. It's more lightweight than you might expect, and it adds a beautiful decorative touch to any part of your home. A lightweight planter with striking finishes makes the Vogue a true gardener's solution. Indoor or outdoor use, weather-resistant UV-coated finish protects color from fading. Delivered without drainage holes if needed, holes are easily drilled in bottom of planter. L. At number 2, we have the Divine Dev set of 3 terracotta pots. Terracotta is a popular outdoor material because it's both durable and affordable. This lovely set of 3 clay terracotta planters offers the perfect mix of rugged good looks and modern styling. With removable drainage saucers and a single drain at the bottom of each pot, this set offers tremendous value. With 3 different sizes, 4.2 inch, 5.3 inch, and 6.5 inch, you can mix and match your plants and display them as you like. The pots come with a smooth matte finish that looks great next to any others you might already have. The little extras shown would keep indoor planting as clean as possible. The wide cylinder shape is helpful and visually appealing, a great gift for anybody interested in plants or not. And finally, at number 1, we have the Phoenix Vine 8-inch self-watering planter. If you want a fun clay pot, then look no further than Phoenix Vine. This 8-inch self-watering planter has a built-in window, showing you how much water's left in the reservoir. If information is power, this indoor planter offers plenty of control over your indoor plants, most types of flower, or succulents. Simply pour the water into the clear watering reservoir and watch as it keeps your plants hydrated and healthy. Plants should stay watered for about 10 days, depending on external conditions. His planters are beautiful and well-made. It's easy to see the water line and refill when necessary. They are great for plants that should not dry out between waterings. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.